Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode in Google app on iPhone running iOS version 14.0. Okay, so this is my iPhone device and I have iOS version 14.0 installed on this. So let me show you first. So let me open my settings app and then let me tap on this general and then let me tap on this about. And you can see guys, here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.0 installed on this iPhone 10R. So let me go back. Let me close this settings app. So guys, first of all, you have to update your Google app to the latest version. So just open your app store and just tap on this search button at the bottom right and just do a search for Google app. So let me do that. So here I have this Google app. Let me tap on this. And you can see guys, I have this page opened and you can see I don't have any update button over here because I recently updated it. If you see the update button, just tap on the update button and it will update your Google app to the latest version. And after that guys, you have to tap on this open button over here in order to open your Google app. And also you can go back and find your Google app. So here is my Google app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened and you can see I don't have any dark mode enabled. So in order to enable dark mode, what you need to do, you have to tap on this more link at the bottom right. So let me tap on this and then you have to tap on this settings and after that you have to tap on this general and then you have to come to this theme. You can see currently I have this follow system option selected. So in order to select dark, you have to tap on this theme. Okay, and you can see guys, I have this theme screen opened and you can see I have three options over here: light, dark and follow system. So you have to tap on this dark, a light text on dark background. So let me tap on this dark and you can see guys, here we have this dark mode turned on in Google app. So let me go to the home screen and you can see guys, it's now turned on. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.